Well, it was a windy close to our work week today, and for some, significantly cooler. Here in Fargo, we hit the 70s again. It does look cooler. Bottom line forecast for the weekend ahead looks like this. Fargo near 70, not quite as warm, still windy. And then on Sunday, cooler still, with many of us only in the 50s. For some in the far north, maybe 40s. Here's a look at those wind gusts today. They peaked over 40 miles per hour in Carrington and in Sisseton. And in Fargo and Grand Forks, we saw gusts over 30 miles per hour today, and it's wrapping around this low pressure system. North winds are going to be with us now through the weekend, and that means cooler air migrating its way southward out of Canada. Here is a look at our Home of Economy camera on the Skycam network from Grand Forks, and the dot that you see in the center of your screen, Venus in that western sky right now. Take a peek. It's bright and it's big. 58 degrees at Hector International. It's still 61 at Moorheads Airport. The wind under 10 miles per hour now, as it's been very quiet. 48 Langdon. 51s in Bemidji and Baudette, and Sisseton is at 58 degrees. As we head into the overnight hours, our winds tapering off in the northern half of our viewing area. Still a little breezy for the Southern Valley at this time, with a few areas with winds over 15 miles per hour. The forecast shows a quiet evening of weather. The clouds and shower chances exit the region, and I expect our light northwest wind to continue through the overnight hours. So we start out our day, we'll be near 50 degrees. And heading through the first portion of the day, we'll see plentiful sunshine, but the wind will be 15 to 25 miles per hour for most. A few of us will have gusts over 30 miles per hour once again. And thanks to the persistent northwest wind, some cooler air is going to be filtering its way down. So we will see temperatures cooler in all areas for our day on Saturday. The wind finally retreats a little bit as we go toward the close of the day after sunset. All in all, it'll still be a pretty pleasant start to the weekend. So your burger forecast, if you're grilling tomorrow, 60s from the midday hour all the way into the evening. But watch those hot dogs. They don't get blown off the grill, because there'll be a gusts of wind from time to time. I think we'll see quite a bit of sunshine across the valley, a better chance at more clouds in the far north, and temperatures a shot at 65 to 70 south, but we will be closer to 60 to 65 for most of our northern counties. There's a lonely cumulus cloud drifting over a gorgeous scene there in Crookston. Vincent, thanks for sharing. Here's a look at your planning forecast. As we started you off with the weekend, look at the weekend rather. Temperatures dropping into the 50s for most on Sunday. A lot less wind though, if we can find a room in that glass for a half a glass of milk. Then on Monday and Tuesday, it looks wet. By Monday night, we'll have scattered showers, but Tuesday, much of the day, passing showers of rain. Some could see over an inch. We'll keep you posted on that. And a little bit of a rebound from the middle to the latter portion of the work week.
Get my yard work done over the weekend just in time for those showers. Should be a pretty good plan of attack, wouldn't you say?
I agree.
All right, thanks. There are hot spots and spots that are cooling off. Up next on